Pets, cats. They are among the most popular animals kept at home. They are generally quiet and clean. They love to climb, jump, and play. To keep your cat healthy and happy, you should regularly take it to the vet and show it affection. Dogs. They are known for their loyalty and cuteness. They come in different breeds, each with distinct characteristics. They love to walk, play, and spend time with people. By training your dog, you can teach it new things and strengthen your bond. Birds. They are known for their colorful feathers and beautiful songs. Budgerigars and parrots are among the birds kept at home. They love to fly and sing. You should keep your bird's cage clean and provide it with regular food and water. Fish. They are quiet and peaceful pets kept in aquariums. They come in various colorful species. The water for fish should be kept clean, and they should be given appropriate food. Watching fish swim in an aquarium is quite relaxing. Farm animals. Cows. They are kept on farms for milk production. They are large and calm animals. They eat grass, and their milk is used to make various dairy products. On farms, they should be well cared for and regularly milked. Sheep. They are raised for their wool and meat. They have soft and thick wool. They eat grass and live in flocks. Their wool is sheared to make clothes. Sheep milk and cheese are also produced. Chickens. They are kept for egg and meat production. They lay fresh eggs every day. They need to be given regular food and water. Chickens also help in gardens by cleaning harmful insects. Horses. They are strong and fast animals. They are used for riding, racing, and farming. They eat grass and love to run. They can be trained by humans and can form a strong bond with them. Wild animals. Lions. They are known as the kings of the jungle. They are strong and brave animals. They live in prides and hunt for food. They are known for their large manes and roars. Lions play an important role in nature and are symbols of wildlife. Elephants. They are the largest land animals in the world. They have long trunks and big ears. They are social animals and live in herds. They eat plants and are found near water sources. Elephants are intelligent and emotional animals. Giraffes. They are known for their long necks and legs. They use their long necks to eat leaves from tall trees. They are peaceful animals and live in herds. They are known as the tallest animals in nature. Penguins. They are cute animals that live in cold climates. They are known for their black and white feathers and swimming abilities. They catch fish by swimming in the sea. They live in large colonies with their families and are very attached to each other. Sea animals. Dolphins. They are intelligent and social marine mammals. They love to swim and jump. They live in groups and communicate with each other through sounds. They can be observed playing and hunting in the sea. Whales. They are the giants of the oceans. They are known for their large size and melodic sounds. They feed on plankton and small fish. They migrate long distances and live in the depths of the oceans. Octopuses. They are known for their 8 arms and flexible bodies. They can camouflage to escape predators. They are intelligent and curious creatures of the sea. They feed on small fish and shellfish. Insects and small animals. Bees. They collect nectar from flowers to make honey. They are social insects and live in colonies. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Honey production and pollination of plants are their jobs. Butterflies. They are known for their colorful wings and graceful flight. They are born as caterpillars and undergo metamorphosis to become butterflies. They feed on the nectar of flowers and carry pollen. Ants. They are very hardworking and organized insects. They live in large colonies and cooperate to gather food. They aerate the soil and play an important role in the ecosystem.